Hello, dear. Thank you so much for your wonderful comment. It truly means a lot to me and keeps me motivated to create even better content for all of you. Your kind words and support inspire me to keep sharing my passion. I'm so grateful to have such an amazing community cheering me on. Stay tuned for more exciting videos coming soon. Imagine waking up in a cozy tiny farmhouse surrounded by nature, with the warm glow of the morning sun streaming through the windows. This charming old tiny house is filled with rustic charm and vintage elegance, just like the homes our grandparents cherished. If you love simple living, farm-style decor, and the beauty of tiny homes, this video is for you. Stay until the end for some incredible tiny house inspiration. If you enjoy my content and want to show your support, you can now send a super thanks. Every little bit helps me continue creating quality videos that bring you inspiration and joy. Your support allows me to improve my content, explore new ideas, and share even more amazing stories with you. Thank you for being part of this journey. I truly appreciate each and every one of you. Do you love my videos and want to be part of an exclusive community? By clicking the Join button, you can become a channel member and unlock special perks like behind-the-scenes content, early video access, exclusive updates, and shoutouts. Your support helps me grow this channel and bring you even more inspiring content. Let's build this wonderful community together. I'd love to have you as part of the family.
Thank you for watching. Like, comment below, and subscribe.